The district attorney's office can really be broken down into two primary departments, and that's our civil and our criminal. And the best way to describe the civil is we're the law firm for the county, and the best way to describe the criminal is we're the chief law enforcement agency for the county. Our primary mission is to achieve justice and to protect the welfare of the county. Our criminal division prosecutes every felony and gross misdemeanor that occurs throughout the entire county. It also prosecutes every misdemeanor that occurs outside of the city limits of Sparks and Reno. We also handle all juvenile prosecutions that occur within this county. Once the cases come to our office, our criminal division plays a critical role in working with our witnesses and, most importantly, our victims. The Washoe County Child Advocacy Center is really revolutionizing the way we do child physical and sexual abuse cases here in Washoe County. Children are getting services right away. In that location we have counseling, in that location we have advocates, in that location we have medical services. And so all these services are being rendered for this child right when they report what has happened. And so their healing process starts at the same time as us starting a very positive prosecution. They're no longer having to tell 5 separate people what had happened to them. Now we do it one time, as a team, with one interviewer who is trained, improve our investigations, improve our prosecutions, while minimizing the trauma on the victims.
She helps to ease that anxiety. They still have to testify.
We've instituted several new programs this year for victims, one of which is the use of therapy dogs. What we found is with our victims, especially those that have been victims of violent crimes or those that are children that have been abused, the use of these therapy dogs really helps with the issues they confront as a victim.
Here are the general guidelines. We can provide the legal advice later in the process.
Our civil division, they really are a jack of all trades. They confront all kinds of law. And so we have people that can handle First Amendment law. We have people that can do guardianships, forfeitures, open meeting law, water law, property law, you name it. It's probably come through the DA's office because we are so involved with the county from a legal perspective. I try to get out and talk to many groups. I've tried to increase our releases so the public can know exactly all the great things we are accomplishing here. And we've seen very positive results. We're going to continue to strive to make it the most efficient, well-run, transparent, effective office that we can possibly have. And as I've said, it is my goal to make an office that this entire community is proud of.